When I was about in preschool, my great-grandmother taught me that we are each other's medicine. She was teaching me that we can help other people, and that's why we are, here. These solar installations take anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. In that small amount of time frame, lives are being changed. Our first family was able to get a fresh gallon of milk, put it right into the refrigerator, and they no longer need to buy ice every single day for their cooler.
I am the mother of 4 boys. I think it's been about 8 years without electricity and water. I'm so grateful for what you've done. Thank you.